How to download and install Zoom app on your phone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your App Store or Play Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. After you open your App Store or Play Store, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of search given at the bottom right corner. Now at the top, you will see this search box. Over there, type in Zoom. After app appears, tap on it. Now you will find this kind of icon in your iOS device, whereas you will find the option of install in your Android device. All you have to do is tap on that option. With that, it is in the process to be downloaded. Make sure your internet connection is stable so that the download would be faster. After completion of download process, you can easily open this app and use it. This was very simple and quick process. So this is how you can easily download and install Zoom app on your device. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.